Let us now start with section 3, preparing for a sales forecast. The sales forecast prepared by us should align with the marketing plan. So before we proceed to make a sales forecast, we need to define our market category. Market category is the space in which our business competes. Market category can be defined widely or narrowly, so it can have a wide scope or a narrow scope. Suppose we manufacture a line of products for cleaning homes. Now, if we define a category at a broad level, that is widely, then it would imply that we offer all type of products such as an all-purpose cleaners, abrasive cleaners, non-abrasive cleaners, specialty cleaners, furniture cleaners, so on and so forth. Now, if the market is defined by us in that manner, it would mean that we have a very big market opportunity space because we are addressing a lot of specific needs of consumer through range of products. However, remember, this would also mean that there is an increase in the range of competitors for our business. Now, if we define the same market in narrow range, for example, we say that we are only into abrasive cleaners, then it would imply that we are focusing on a smaller market opportunity and less competition. So remember, when you're defining the market category, you need to do a balance between the size of sales opportunity and the competition faced. Now, once you have defined the market category, you need to understand the trends. Through trends, we need to understand the direction and the reason behind it. Now, for any business, sales can either be growing or they can be declining or they would be just flat. That is the same. In each of the scenario, you need to understand the reason behind that growth, that decline or stillness. Why it is necessary? Because when you do that, you will be able to make an accurate sale forecast. Take for example, you are into garment manufacturing. Okay, recently under your denim category products, you introduced a denim dress, which is a huge craze in the market. Now sales are growing in that category. However, eventually the fad is going to disappear. So in while making a sales forecast, you need to account for it. Another example would be introduction of latest discounts that would make the sales to go up. These discounts could have led the consumers as well as the distributors in piling up the products. So in both the scenarios which we discussed, growth is seen because of the discounts or because of the fad which we are seeing. Okay, so they would disappear at later stage. Hence, when you're making a forecast, you need to account for it. You cannot make an inaccurate sales forecast purely for a wrong reason. As a good sales forecaster, we need to understand what is driving the sales. Now, of late, global warming is a very burning issue. Many consumers nowadays wish to reduce their carbon footprint. This change in behavior could lead them to prefer products which are not taxing on the environment. Hence, we also need to understand the psychographic, that is the lifestyle of our consumer, attitude of the consumer, emotions they have, the values they believe in, because they also will affect our sales. Lifestyle choices do influence purchasing behavior. So, when you're making a sales forecast, you need to even concentrate on the psychographics. Competition also affects a sales forecast. So when you're studying the competitors, you need to understand the competitors who are in their market, what technology they are developing, what are the market moves they are making, because that will help you to understand how the sales are going to get affected and you can make a accurate sales forecast.